Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to do some web scraping using Python. Python is a programming language. It's a high-level language. It's interpreted. It has some features to support object-oriented programming. You don't use semicolons in this programming language, and it's also open source. And what is web scraping? Basically, it's just extracting information from a web page. And how are we going to do this? First, we need to install Python. So as you can see here, I have already installed Python 3. I have two Pythons here. The version that we need for this is Python 3. For doing that, you can go to python.org, and here you can follow the steps to install Python in your computer. And also we are going to need to install two extra libraries. One is going to be request, and yeah, I already have that installed, and also Beautiful Soup. These two packages. Yeah, after we have that installed, what we need to do, it's just start coding. So let's start. The first thing we need to do is to import request. This library allows us to make some HTTP requests to any site that we need to do the web scraping from. And also we need to import Beautiful Soup, right? What this allows us is to access. It gives us the ability to access the elements within a page. So let's do some method. What I'm going to do to do some web scraping is from Existential Comics. I'm going to get the text that is in the image here. So we can see here that the image has some alt text. This is for screen readers to give the same content that we can read here, but also in text, and it's pretty cool. So let's just get it a method that allows us to get that. So get alt text from URL. Right. Let me switch to English. Right. Okay. First, we need to do the request. We're going to use the library that we imported, request.get, and the URL. After that, then we're just going to get from the response that we get. We are going to parse that. So text with HTML parser. Right, and after that we are going to get the image element. For that, we are going to search in the page, try to find an image element with these attributes, some class attribute, and let's see what's the class for that. We come here, yeah, we can see that the image element has a class called comic image. This is the one that we need, right? Because this is the one that has the text. So we have this now, and that's it. So I'm going to print to console what I have here, image element, the alt attribute. Cool. So now to use the same URL, I'm going to grab the Existential Comics URL, then just get it from here. and I'm going to call the method, and hopefully we can see. Oh, wait. We're going to execute this, and hopefully we can see the right. So we have the text here after we have scrapped this information from the page. So cool. And yeah, so this is how you can do the some web scrapping using Python, and this is the most basic way that you can do it. Hopefully in the future maybe I can do some more advanced techniques, but this is it. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.